Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A-flat minor scale. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the A-flat minor scale with all the correct letters and fingerings, both 1 and 2 octaves. We're going to look at the natural, harmonic, and melodic forms. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video, and if you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Okay, the first thing we need to talk about is that the key of A flat minor has 7 flats. That's right, it has every note flat in the scale, including 2 white key flats. We're going to have C flat and F flat. If you would like more information about white key flats, I will post a link to a video right here. Okay, so A flat minor, we're going to look at the right hand. First, we're going to check out the natural minor form. So let's go over the right hand letter names first. Goes like this: A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat. Back down: A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. I'm going to go over the finger numbers, which are 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back down, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, cross your 4, 3. Okay, let's check out the left hand. The left hand uses the exact same letters, so I'm just going to go over the finger numbers, and they are as follows: 3, 2, 1, cross your 3 to the D flat, 2, thumb goes on F flat, cross your 4 to the G flat, end with your 3 on A flat, way back down, it's going to be 4, 1, 2, 3, tuck your thumb, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's check that out. Hands together. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat. Back down. A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Okay, let's move on to the harmonic minor. As you may already know, the harmonic minor of a minor scale means that we're going to take whatever the 7th note of the scale is and we're going to raise it a half step. So let's figure out where the 7th note is in our scale. A flat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our G flat right here is our 7th note. So instead of playing G flat, we're going to raise it a half step, which means just the very next key to the right, and make it G natural. Okay, so let's check out the harmonic minor scale of A flat with our right hand. Looks like this: A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G, A flat. Back down: A flat, G, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Okay, let's go over the left hand fingering. Now the notes are exactly the same for the harmonic form, including the G natural, but the fingering does change slightly to accommodate this change of the G natural instead of the G flat. Remember, when we play scales, we never place our thumb or pinky on a black key. So in order to avoid that, we are going to change our fingering in the left hand, and we're going to put our 4th finger on the D flat instead of our 3rd finger. Let's take a look at what that looks like. 3, 2, 1, cross your 4, 3, 2, 1, cross your 3, back down, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's put hands together with the A flat harmonic minor scale. Looks like this: A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. A flat, G, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Moving on to the melodic form of the A flat minor scale, you might already know that on the melodic form of a minor scale, we're going to raise the 6th and the 7th note on the way up. But when we come down, we're going to come back down in our natural form. So really, the melodic minor form of the scale only ascends with that 6th and 7th raised, But when we descend, we're actually just returning to the natural form of the scale. Okay, so let's figure out what our 6th and 7th note of the A flat minor scale are. So A flat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our F flat is our 6th note, and we're going to raise that, and it's going to become F natural. We already learned that our 7th note is G flat, and we're going to make that G natural. So now we actually are going to have 4 white keys in this scale. Okay, so let's take a look at the letter names for the right hand. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Going back down, we're going to return to our natural form. So A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Okay, let's check out our left hand on the A flat melodic minor scale. There's a lot that's going to be happening in this scale because of course we've got our F flat and our G flat that have become F natural and G natural, and because of that change, we've also changed our fingering. But when we descend, of course, we're going back to our natural form, so those notes are going to change and our fingering is going to change. So you really need to pay attention to make sure you play this one correctly. I'm going to do the letter names this time. A flat, B flat, C flat, 4th finger goes on D flat, E flat, F, G, 3rd finger goes on the A flat, then we're going to put our 4th finger on G flat, thumb goes on F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Hopefully you caught all that. That was kind of confusing. All right, so now we're going to put hands together. We can do this. Okay, here we go. A flat, B flat, C flat, 4th finger in your left hand on D flat, E flat. We're going to F natural with our right hand thumb. Left hand is 2 on F natural, G natural. Both 3rd fingers on A flat. Going back down to G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Now we're going to run through all 3 of these scales, the natural, the harmonic, and the melodic versions of the A flat minor, 2 octaves. And once you learn, remember, once you learn 2 octaves, it's really easy to turn any scale into a 3-octave or 4-octave scale once you learn the 2-octave form. Okay, so we're going to start with the A flat natural minor version. We've got everything flat. This is what it looks like. Flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat. Here's our 2nd octave. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat. We're going to go back down the same way we came up. A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate the harmonic minor form of the A flat minor scale. Remember, we're going to take our 7th note and we're going to make, instead of G flat, we're going to be playing G natural. Here we go. A flat, B flat, C flat. Remember, the left hand 4th finger is going to go over to the D flat, E flat, F flat, G natural. Both 3rd fingers on A flat, B flat, C flat. Here's that D flat with our 4th finger, E flat, F flat, G, A flat. Back down the same way we came up. A flat, G, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Then we're going to go to our left hand thumb goes on the G, right hand 2, G, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. Remember, we have that fingering change in the left hand there. Did you catch it? Okay, we're going to move on to the melodic form of the A flat melodic minor 2-octave scale. Remember, the left hand, you got to really pay attention. It's because of all the changes that are happening in the left hand, but we can do it. We're ascending melodic with our 6th and our 7th note raised a half step. Then we're going to descend with our natural form with the changes back to G flat and F flat and the fingering changes in the left hand. Here we go. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Back down natural. G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat. There we go, we did it. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot from the A flat minor scale. And if you found this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.